Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Glacier Breeze portable cooler is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Glacier Breeze website, the Glacier Breeze portable cooler is a compact personal evaporative air cooler designed to provide targeted cooling in small indoor spaces. The company says it combines the functionals of a personal air cooler fan and a humidifier in one portable device, making it suitable for desks, bedrooms, official camping, and travel. So, according to the websites, the device has basically or featured 500 milliliter water tank and a rechargeable 2000 milliampere per hour battery or hour battery. It has three fan speeds and the USB-C charging according to the website. The company also says that it operates quietly, requires no installation, and can provide cooling for several hours on a single charge depending on the selected fan speed. But before purchasing, take a few minutes to review the product specification and make sure the cooler meets your needs. The official website describes it as a personal cooling device, so it's a good idea to carefully read the product's information and understand isn't its intended use basically before placing an order. According to the official website, you have three steps to follow. First of all, you'll have to fill in the water tank, power it on, and direct the airflow, as example, to wherever you want it to go, which is probably yourself or for personal cooling or any other thing that you want. So if you decide to purchase the Glacier Breeze portable cooler, you'll have to visit the official website and choose your preferred package. For completing your order, review the pricing, shipping information, warranty, and return policy, so you know exactly what's included. Taking a few extra minutes to read the product's information and do your own research is always recommended. According to the website, they do offer a 90-day money back guarantee, but if you get it from another seller, you may not get that. So from here, you'll have to get your shipping information, payment information, and you should be good to go. But take a few extra minutes to read the product's information and do your own research is very good. So if you have any questions before purchasing, you'll find the number at the top, or you can go back to the example page before clicking on purchase, and you'll find here an example some questions answered. So other than those questions, you'll have just this number to reach out to ask whatever question. And as with any home appliance, make sure to read the manufacturer instructions carefully, do your own research, and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.